Invite team members to create their own accounts on iHire. You can add team members to one or all of your hiring organizations. The team members page will list all team members you've invited, and those who have not yet accepted the invitation will have an invited badge next to their name. Team members who have not yet accepted the invitation can still have products assigned to them through the Share Access to Your Products area. Enter their name and email address and choose their organization access levels. Organization admins can manage all user permissions and content under an account, and all accounts must have at least one organization admin. We encourage companies to designate at least 2 trusted team members as organization admins. All other users can be granted one, a combination of, or all of the following access levels. And users' permissions will be applied to all of the organizations they have access to. Hovering over the blue question mark next to the access level gives further details about that level. Organizational admins have the ability to manage all permissions under this account. Manage Branding Elements allows users to add or edit organization branding elements, including logos, videos, URLs, and company profiles. Manage Teams or Users allows users to add or remove contacts and manage their permissions. Post Jobs allows users to post and manage their own jobs. Additionally, you may choose not to give any of the permissions to a contact. For example, if you have a team member who will be focused exclusively on sourcing resumes via resume search, they may not need access to the other levels. When you click Invite Team Member, they will receive an invitation via email with instructions for joining your team. You may adjust team members' permissions by clicking the blue pencil next to the name. Modify their permission levels, and click Save Changes. You can also delete team members by clicking the trash can icon next to the team member's name you wish to remove.